FIMI X8 2nd Edition 2022 V2 drone with camera for adults. GPS 4K Foldable RC Quadcopter. 35 minutes flight time, 10 kilometers video transmission, 48 megabyte photo, follow me, 3-axis gimbal, 2 batteries, plus 128 gigabyte SD card and megaphone. Hi, welcome my friend. SAR mode, search and rescue. It's light body, 10 kilometers long range, uninterrupted video transmission, and extended battery life, allowing flight times of up to 35 minutes flight. Combined with its accurate GPS, makes the X8 2nd Edition 2022 V2 a good choice for the search and rescue missions. Precision landing. The FIMI X8 2nd Edition utilizes a downside camera to recognize the launch pad and land right on the pad. The third generation of the loss stabilization algorithm, a sensor with high precision control and accuracy of 0.005 degree, and a fully closed loop servo system all contribute to perfectly eliminating jitters in real time, allowing you to enjoy silky smoothness in your blockbuster. Free your hands and create precise circular flights. Compatible with the TX10 remote controller, the FIMI X8 2nd Edition is fully compatible with a new generation of remote controllers with built-in screens. Flying a drone has never been so convenient or offered a more professional flight experience. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.